my channel. Today is a special day. We're not touring in the city.
Yeah, so we are here at the Alcuja Lake camping area. We're just gonna sit back and relax and chill for the day. It's pretty hot out, but if you come here, there are trees and there are some shades, and if you just stay under the shades, it's pretty cool.
I'm starving.
Yeah? Well, I got some American barbecue for you, man.
Okay, not Dubai barbecue.
No. Wow, look at those black swans, man. It's freaking huge, man.
I've seen the world on my own, but it doesn't look the same. Black and blue, and I don't know why I ever looked away. The sun is always shining, even when it goes away. Until it comes back around, I'm here to light the way. Better together. Better together. We're better together. We're better together. I can see the world through the lens of us. Every time I look at you, the color fills the open skies and waves.
Why didn't you just use charcoal?
Because I have water in my brain.
脑子进水了。
So this is mamu that we got from Carrefour. It's also like a traditional Arabic sweet. This one has pistachio inside. It's really nice. Alright, let's get started. We're gonna start with the ribeye steak. You hear the sizzling? You hear?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's a good sign. That means it's hot enough.
Do you need to cut it? No?
No, it's alright. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Sizzling, man.
Medium rare, okay?
Yeah?
Finally, I'm starving.
Show up.
Perfect.
Oh yeah? How did you like the steak?
Yeah.
So they do really taste different compared to cooking at home. Grilling on charcoal is just the best way to cook any meat. Next up, we have some flank steak. This can just go right on the grill as well, without any sauce. Just some basic salt and pepper. How is it?
Wow.
不能说烤肉酱，应该说 homemade。Cut.
Wow.
Alright guys, next up we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna try some seafood now. I'm not even sure about the name of this shrimp, but I heard it's really good. This is homemade garlic sauce. So I made it with garlic and some chili peppers. Oh, 虾可以了，快拿起来吧。Wow.
Look at this.
Nice?
Very nice.
Solo? So as we are cooking, there's a lot more trucks or cars that's starting to come here in the area. This place really gets crowded and busy over the weekend, especially when the sun is about to go down around 4 or 5 p.m. So definitely come early and get your spot in advance.
Okay.
It tastes just like lobster. Exactly like lobster.
It's called 琵琶虾 in Chinese. What kind of mushroom is this?
I'm not sure actually. I just went to the supermarket and asked for which one is good for grill. And this is the one that they recommended. Hey guys, so what we have here is I guess a bulgogi. I made a homemade Korean barbecue sauce and just marinate my beef over the night. It should be nice and sweet and salty.
You sure it's the barbecue sauce you bought?
No, this one is 100% homemade.
Okay.
Fuyu ones, Shinmomi.
I think the beef is almost ready.
The beef?
Or maybe a little bit longer.
The chicken wing might be ready in a couple more minutes. So what do you say? You like your father's cooking or my cooking?
Your father's cooking is different style.
Yeah? Chinese style? Caramelized bulgogi. Which one do you like the most?
Seafood.
Seafood?
What about you? Which one is your favorite?
I think this one was good. Bulgogi.
Really?
Yeah, because like, you know how when you cook steak, you kind of cook it to like medium rare. No, actually I take that back. I like the chicken wings the most.
That was not homemade sauce.
No, sorry guys, I lied.
So except barbecue, we still have a stop to go today.
Yeah. Now we're all fed up. I think we're gonna stop by the Love Lake and the Expo 2020 Lake, which is right around here. We just need to find a way to get there. We're gonna catch that before the sun goes down in an hour.
Oh, my dear, I love you like the summer loves the sun. My dear, I love you like the winter loves the dropping snow. My dear, I love you like the morning loves to come. My dear, I love you like the river loves to run and flow. Love you to apocalypse.
Guys, so we are here at the Okoja Love Lake. We just got done with the barbecue, and we're here for some amazing views. But if you do have a drone though, make sure you bring your drones to get the best view. So even though you can't see much without the drone, but it's still a nice area for people just to come here and hang out, especially for families. About 20 minutes away that direction, there is another lake, Expo 2020 Lake, which was built the last couple of years as well. We're gonna take you guys there as well to check it out. So we just got here at the Expo 2020 Lake. It's absolutely a lovely place, right in the middle of the desert, just like the Love Lake. Make sure to bring your drones, otherwise you won't be able to see the amazing aerial views.
Close enough to see your face, too far to feel your warm embrace. Trying to see our past in your eyes. It's like trying to find the man on the moon at night. You were a comet passing by, bright as you brush past my sky. You'll always be alive in the place of my heart where we collide. Like a shooting star at night, the love we had was bright while it lasted. You're the one that got away.
You know what guys, I'm pretty tired. I'm just gonna take a nap right here.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's laid back trip.
Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to check out our other videos. See you guys later.
Bye!
Peace out.